Experiencing knee pain, swelling, arthritis, or discomfort during walking, running, climbing stairs, or daily activities? Use kneecap with hinges reinforced to help manage knee pain, instability, and ligament injuries. Integrated comfort zone pressure-free flex for natural movement. Flexible hinges for natural knee movement. Let's see how to wear this product. Measure circumference around mid-thigh approx 6 inches above knee to choose the correct size. This is kneecap with hinges reinforced. First, loosen the bottom thigh strap to make it easier to wear the knee brace. Then loosen the calf strap to ensure easy and comfortable application. Keep the up label up. Slip your foot into the support and pull it up. Use the pull loops to slide the support comfortably over your knee. Tight the calf strap securely and fasten the Velcro back onto the same strap. Then, tighten the thigh strap to your desired comfort level and secure it firmly. The brace is now securely fitted for optimal support and comfort. Stay active with improved comfort, easier movement, and relief from knee pain. Support that moves with you. Thanks for watching.